What's happening, everyone? It is finally time to install some decent lighting in here. Before we get started, I just want you to know that no one is sponsoring this video and that these lights, I bought them on my own, and I just want to share my experience with you, and hopefully it'll help you too if you're going to be buying lights like these. So I bought these T8 lights. They're 8 feet long. They came 6 to a package. They were $130 on Amazon, and I'll include the link below in the description in case you want to look into them yourself. And they are really bright. I plugged one in and it is really bright, so I'm looking forward to plugging these in. Barrina is the name of the brand, and the main reason why I bought these, besides the fact that I had great reviews, is because it comes with all the hardware you'd need to wire these in any method that you choose. So if you're going to plug this directly into an outlet, it comes with a 6-foot cord, and it has an on-off switch, which is pretty cool. If you want to hardwire it directly into a live line that actually is connected to a switch, like what I'm going to do, here it is right here. So you can hardwire it. If you want to piggyback more than one fixture without having any spaces between them, you would use this, which is pretty cool. I don't have the space for this. I wish I did. It would be pretty easy to hook these up. But this is what you would need, and it comes with it. If you want to piggyback multiple fixtures, but you want to have a space, this is a 4-foot wire, so you'd connect 2 different lights here, and you can space them out 4 feet. To hang them, it doesn't get any simpler than this. 2 clips just like this. You screw it into the ceiling, and once it's screwed into the ceiling, it just clips in. Done. It doesn't get any easier than that. So we're going to hang them up, and we're going to see what this looks like. This is the shop lighting before anything was installed. I had an 8-foot fluorescent fixture and 1 4-foot LED fixture. And this is the after. It's a big difference. The one thing I didn't like that really wasn't too much of a big deal is that these hard-wiring accessories were way too short. This is 6 inches. It just wasn't long enough. So what I ended up doing, and it worked out pretty well, was I took this 6-foot plug-in and I actually cut it. And what I found when I cut it was that the same exact wiring was in there as far as colors go. So when I sliced it open, I had the same thing in here. So I sliced it open and I found the same thing, except I have about 2 feet here to work with. So I ended up doing that, and it just made it a lot easier. So something to think about. These lights are awesome. I used all 6 8-foot strips in my 18 by 20 foot workspace. And it's perfect. If you have a space like this, I highly recommend these. They come with a 3-year warranty, and hopefully they last for a lot longer than that. But for $130, I don't think you can do better than this. If you want all the detailed specs, then you can click the link in the description. It'll take you to the Amazon site where it'll have all the details. But the important details that you need to know is that these 8-foot strips give out 8,500 lumens. They also sell them in 4-foot strips, so you're getting roughly half of that within the 4-foot strips. And the type of light that is omitted is 5,000K, which is called daylight, which is the low scale of daylight. Now, if you want more information on this in the form of a video, the Wood Whisperer actually did a video on this, and he talks about the type of light, and he actually made a good point. If you go above 5,000K, which they have, I think, up to 6,500K, you might be getting into the range that is too much like daylight, and it might not be comfortable on the eyes. The 5,000K, which he actually says is actually perfect, and he's right. It's very comfortable in the eyes, and it's very bright in here, and I think it's also great for recording if you're doing stuff like that. If you are interested in that, I'll put the link to that, to his video, in the description as well. If you're looking for lighting for your workspace, I hope this video helped you. If you are interested in woodworking or DIY projects, I have a whole bunch of other videos. Feel free to check those out. And please subscribe and hit the bell icon, and you'll be informed of when I post new videos. Thanks again, and have a great day.